ever wondered what is inside your computer's motherboard? Sure, you have seen the different components on it, the CPU, RAM, graphic cards, and so on. But have you ever wondered how they all work together? In this video, we will take a closer look at inside your computer's motherboard and discover how it all works. Let's start with the PCB or printed circuit board. This is the green flat board that all components are mounted on. But did you know that the PCB has multiple layers? These hidden layers are what makes modern motherboards so complex and powerful. These layers are created by stacking multiple PCBs on top of each other. For one, they allow for additional pathways for electrical signals. And this is especially important for high-speed components like the CPU and RAM. By having more pathways, the motherboard can reduce interference and increase overall performance. The hidden layers also enable designers to create more efficient and optimized signal pathways for further improving performance and reducing interference. Another benefit of the PCB layers is to provide power and ground planes. These are large areas of copper on the PCB that are connected to the power and ground lines respectively. By distributing the power and ground lines throughout the board, the motherboard can deliver power consistently to all components, reducing the risks of damage due to voltage drops or power surges. But what about electromagnetic interference or EMI? Certain components on the motherboard like the CPU and graphic cards can emit the EMI that can interfere with nearby signals. That's where signal shielding comes in. Designers can ensure that the system performs its best without making interference between any of the components. Another crucial aspect of the motherboard design is the trace routing. This is the process of determining the best path for electrical signals to travel on the PCB. On the motherboard with multiple layers, trace routing becomes more complex as the signals may need to travel between the different layers. But by creating the hidden layers, designers can create more efficient and optimized signal pathways, improving the overall performance and reducing interference. So there you have it, a closer look at what is inside your computer's motherboard, from hidden layers to signal shielding and trace routing. Every aspect of the motherboard design is carefully considered to ensure optimal performance and reliability. Which type of technology in motherboard's creation interested you the most? Is it the hidden PCB layers, signal shielding, or trace routing? If you enjoyed watching the video, then make sure to give it a like and subscribe to my channel right now for more amazing videos on the world of technology. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.